to compare similar types of pages, for example, blog article pages or landing pages, or if you want to compare different layouts, different designs, click on Compare in the toolbar. Microsoft Clarity gives you these two panels side by side for comparison. You can search for a URL using one of these conditions or a filter or a segment. The first thing you want to do is make sure you use the same date range. So we're going to change this from 3 days to the last 30 days. And then we're going to pick our URL, our page down here. These articles don't cover the exact same topic, but they are similar topics. And for the article on the left, you can see there are a couple more clicks in this article on the hyperlinks. But this article on the right doesn't have any clicks on the hyperlinks for these links near the top of the article. And then you can also see that there are more clicks on this call to action banner, while there aren't any clicks for this CTA banner. You do want to consider statistical significance to make sure your data is valid, or determine whether you should wait for more data or increase the sample size. That way you don't just make decisions based on inaccurate data or false positives. This is a great feature in Microsoft Clarity that other heat maps might not have, because you can take ideas from specific content and apply them to other types of content. For example, take the copy and use it on other pages. Adjust the width of the panels by using this adjuster here to drag to the left or the right. To view the click ranks for either page, click on these arrows on the side and it'll pull out this panel. You can click on these elements so that you're brought to the specific element on the page. Same for the other side. If you want to remove the comparison, click on either X for either panel here. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on working with digital marketing, audience, customer, or user data, subscribe to the channel.